beyond the limits of our eyes to reveal the secrets of the world around us. Now we're going even further, looking far above us to reveal the invisible secrets on the very edges of our world. Our final journey takes us on the hunt for one of the most elusive events of the invisible world. We're attempting to find a spectacular lightning formation 50 miles wide, but so fast it's virtually invisible.
Center 6775 tries with you at flight level 400.
Takeoff from 6775.
Brief glimpses of this phenomenon have been mistaken for UFOs. They're called sprites. Now a team of scientists is heading high above the clouds to try to catch them on high-speed cameras.
We're closer to the sprites, which is good, but since we're closer and we don't know where they're going to happen, that makes it a little harder.
Conditions have to be just right. After years of planning, tonight is the night. A 1,000 miles away, a massive storm is brewing, and this plane is flying right into it.
We're headed to Meridian, Mississippi right now, and then past that, we're going to head over toward Little Rock, Arkansas, and then we're going to go straight up toward Des Moines, Iowa. About 2 hours to get there. We'll have 4 hours to loiter around the storms for the sprite pictures in the back, and then 2 hours back home. So we'll be airborne about 8 hours tonight.
The mission takes place in almost total darkness. Any stray light makes it harder to detect sprites. A color low-light camera and image intensifiers will help us see in the dark. Like lightning, sprites are electrical discharges, but they're actually very different.
The real difference is how brief the sprites last. Normal lightning can last, if you count all the strokes together, maybe half a second. Sprites are a lot shorter in duration.
The plane's flying higher and higher, now at 50,000 feet, close to the border with space. Jupiter shines brightly in the sky.
With me flying at this altitude, it's the clarity of the air, because the visibility is forever.
It's close now. There's a storm building way below.
It looks to me like we are getting all the lightning on our backside right now, so is it possible to turn, say, 10 degrees to the left?
As the plane turns, the storm unleashes its fury. These are perfect sprite conditions. There's no time to lose.
You think we should go up, Takesh? Don't want to hurt the intensifier.
The high-speed cameras and image intensifiers are prepared.
10,000 frames a second, 50 microsecond integration time.
They're fixed on an area just above the storm itself.
Gain is 60,500. Azimuth is 0, elevation is -4. Here we go, gang.
Trying to catch one of the most elusive phenomena in the natural world.
Sprite.
There's something.
I think it was probably outside the field of view, I'm not sure.
It could have been a sprite, but they've missed it. And the storm's about to die.
We're now at -4 degrees elevation.
Suddenly,
Sprite, we're looking. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, it looks like there's two of them. I think he got it.
A vast column of light, 20 miles tall, it dwarfs the city below. A spectacular formation, trailing globes of light. Each one is as bright as Jupiter. These high-speed images have been captured from the air for the very first time.
You and I live on seconds or minutes or maybe even years of timescales, and sprites are 1/1000th of a second. It makes you realize how different the world can be.
This vast display happens in our skies all over the world, but we're completely unaware of it. And it's thought that some reports of UFOs might instead be glimpses of these vast, super bright, round flashes. Sprites, a spectacular celestial display, a secret of the invisible world. High-speed cameras have allowed us to see things we never even dreamed of. And who knows what else is going on right now in our invisible world.